What's up, Vikings? Coach Vaughn here to show you some steel mace weight recommendations for your workouts. So if you're new to this, you're going to be very wary. What weight do I pick? You know, 20 pounds doesn't seem that much. What I got to remind everyone here, this is not a dumbbell or a kettlebell we're talking about here. All the weight is at the top of the weight here with no less than a pound in the handle of the steel mace. So I always get comments on my YouTube channel. People always say, oh man, I got a 20, 30 pound mace, didn't think it was going to be that heavy. And then I instantly regretted it and ordered a 10 to 15 pound mace because I didn't think it was going to be that heavy. So I really need to state this to everyone, all the weight is up here. So when you stack it in this vertical stack position and pack it into your lats, it's going to feel much heavier than you think it would. So you got to be humble when first starting out this, especially if you're a beginner. So if you're a woman, I would say between a 7 to 10 pound mace. For men, 10 to 15 pounds. When I was first starting out with steel maces, I'll never forget how heavy a 15 pound mace felt. It took a lot of practice. It took me a good solid year to feel good with the 20 pounds as you see here, and then started getting to bigger maces. I have a 25 pound, a 40 pound one, and a 55 pound one. Each one represents a year for me. So when I was doing it with the 25, it was around maybe 2015. I got the 40 pound around 2016. And the 55 pound one you see me swinging here around probably 2017. So if you're just doing this on and off, steel mace training isn't for you. So you gotta be consistent with this tool if you wanna get good at it. So another question I always get, can I just get a sledgehammer? Isn't it the same thing? I wrote a whole article on the differences between steel maces and sledgehammers because it's a big question everyone asks. So I broke it down all for you on my website on coachvaughn.net. Then of course, if you want to know the best workouts with these, go to my YouTube channel, type in beginner workout, you'll see me pop up right there. So be sure to check out my ebooks. Got them on coachvaughn.net, got to swing with kettlebells and maces. And then I got also a new one, reinventing the steel mace. If you want to go more tactical with your body weight training using the rings with the steel mace in your programming. Be sure to check that out on coachvaughn.net. Once again, this is Coach Vaughn signing off. Hope you have fun with that.